Hello, guys, and welcome to today's live at Voice of Crypto with Debit Launch. Before we get into any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice, so you must do your own market research. And I hope you guys are doing incredible out there. Don't forget to join our Telegram and visit our website if you like to be on top of crypto. Okay, with that said, let's move straight into the BTC price. But today we're talking about Ethereum and all this narrative if Ethereum is gonna hit 5k. I personally think so. It could go further, to be fair, but that's something that we have to watch during the year. And if you have any questions, just let us know in the chat. Somebody said, "Can I ask a question?" Yes, you can ask a question. Feel free to ask a question, and let me move into the BTC chart before we get into anything else. So the Bitcoin price is currently playing out, as I mentioned, on this green circle. I bought Bitcoin, nearly got stopped, but I've managed to not get cut out of this trade. So right now we are retesting the resistance once more, which is somewhere around 73k, 74k. Once we break this level, it is going to go parabolic all the way to 80k or even further. All right, so I'm not expecting BTC to hit lower levels at the moment, not even before the halving, but that's something we're all going to see. You know, it's just likely to break even, but it is possible to have a different scene. So what is the best case scene? The best case scenario is to place your stop loss below, on the bottom of this elephant bar, and just let it run to the upside. So in case if we just touch the resistance and go back to support once more, you can make a nice profit. Okay, so this trade was a long trade, and Bitcoin is always like that. It does what it wants to do. The Ethereum chart, um the Ethereum chart, it's very similar to BTC, and the Ethereum price, it is currently skyrocketing. It is going to retest this new level of 3,800, and it could potentially hit the resistance, which is somewhere around 4,100. Okay, so the market has memory, it's always inside support and resistance. Somewhere goes sideways, but it is likely to retest. Okay, so if we do break resistance on Ethereum, we could see Ethereum at 5k. If we don't break resistance, we can see once more a slightly drop into the support zone where we can make a new trade. Okay, so if you haven't entered this trade yet, I'm not sure if that is a great opportunity for you. We have altcoins, we have other things to look at. However, you always want to look into the best opportunity, regardless if it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. Talking to the long term side, it is always welcoming to hold. Okay, as Ethereum, it's one of the biggest and the strongest blockchain out there. So I'll remove the charts for a second. Someone asked in a chat, when will we claim winners be announced? We have been awaiting for a long time. Okay, the winners will be announced very shortly, and you must join the Telegram. I hope you are on a group to make sure you are on top of everything. Moving in to today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap, it is currently at 2.69 trillion, a 4.04% increase on the last day. Fear and Greedy Index is pretty much at the same place at 76 at the moment. So not much is happening on the Fear and Greedy Index, which is, a quiet moment before the storm. And guys, the Bitcoin price currently trading at 72,432. Ethereum currently at 3,641. So far, so good, because we saw very deep moments at the bear market. So, however, I am happy and I remain bullish still for this upcoming momentum. Let's move into the latest news on a Cointelegraph before we go back to the top gainers and losers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to assist you. The Bitcoin pretty unlikely to revisit 50k price level, says analyst, as the crypto traders speculate over Bitcoin price following the upcoming halving. Dylan Leclerc predicts it's pretty unlikely to fall back down to 50,000. The frequency of Bitcoin reaching higher support prices level, as well as the lack of immediate growth in the derivative market, suggests that its price is unlikely to retrace down to 50k anytime soon, according to a crypto analyst. I also agree with it. Senior analyst at digital asset fund UTXO Management Dylan Leclerc explained it an analyst note on April 7th that if Bitcoin BTC raised back into 70,000 to 75k price range, it will pull the significant pressure on the short position. As we've consolidated and an increasing amount of short liquidations are buying from 70,000 to 75k, he stated. If Bitcoin hits the price rise to 70k, approximately 174.70 million will be liquidated according to CoinGrass data. Should it reach the upper boundary of liquid range, 75,000, around 830 million worth of short positions will face liquidations. This translates to roughly a 7.8% increase from Bitcoin current price of 69,344. Likewise, a similar percentage change of 7.5%, but in a downward movement, occurred on a March 15, resulting how 525.2 million in liquidations. Leclerc explained, although a decline in a Bitcoin price to 50k, it's a 27% decrease from its current price at the time of written, could trigger substantial liquidations of long position. He doesn't foresee it, considering the recent price shifts and increased support levels. While there is a large cluster of a long that could be taken out at 50k, given a structure of the higher lows and the lack of immediate growth in a derivative landscape currently, if find it pretty unlikely he revisits the level he stated. Not impossible, of course, he warned. Bitcoin price last dipped below 50k on February 13, hitting 49,785,000. Just the day before, on February 12, it reached 50k, a level not reached since December 2021. He backed up his claims by citing the recent action by global asset manager BlackRock, which updates its Bitcoin Exchange Trust Fund ETF prospectus on April 5, adding five big Wall Street firms as new authorized participants. The new members include ABN, AMRO, Clearing, Citadel Securities, Citigroup Global Market, Goldman Sachs, and UBS Securities. Related Bitcoin 2028 halving price target is 445k. Historical data suggests prominent crypto traders are speculating over Bitcoin price ahead of the halving event, which is set for April 20. This event occurs every 4 years and will cut mining block reward by 15% from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. Cointelegraph recently reported that Bitcoin price has risen around 658% since the last Bitcoin halving in 2020. If historical chart patterns were to repeat, Bitcoin price would reach 434.280 per coin by 2028, halving if perform similarity to the current cycle, so nearly half million per BTC in 2028. We're still very early. Crypto trader Red Capital believes there is considerable potential for further upward movement in a short term. He told his 443,000 followers in April 7 post that market is approximately the third one third through the bull market phase. So it's only one third in. We still have a massive upside to move in. The progress bar based on a standard halving cycles. So here we can see the ascending triangle then break out and once more playing out over here. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I agree. So, coming back to the chart a little bit. So, guys, visit the Voice of Crypto announcement Telegram if you like to know what is actually going on. And someone asked, can the newly launched W token reach its $2 target this month? If you can refer the website or the token itself, I could potentially do a TA for you. But W token, WUSDT, I'm not familiar with. If you send me the real asset name, I'll be able to do a TA for you and let you know. Uh, Moving back to coin market cap, let's have a look on today's top gainers and losers. Okay, so today's gainers and losers, according to CoinMarketCap, we saw a massive change here. Now it is up 16.28% on the past 24 hours. The current price is at 17.97. Dog with Faha currently trading at 4.20 and is up 16% on the past 24 hours. Third place, we have Leader. Okay, currently trading at 3.01 and is up 14%. We have Pepe back up 8.25%. Telegram coin, it's up 8.16%. Currently trading at 5.85. We have Near Protocol moving a little bit. We have Ethereum here on the top gainers today and is up 7.49%. Floki seems to be moving as well, is up 70.17%. Optimism is up 5.97%, currently trading at 3.25. What else? Dogecoin is up nearly 5%, 4.88%. I'm personally waiting Dogecoin to hit $1 this next bull market, but that is all about patience. And I'm talking on the holding side, of course. Um, so yeah, we saw a change here. Last time Core was on a top gainer, but today we have Neo. So you might just want to track this opportunity. Dog with a hat, it was on a top losers and now it's back on the top gainers. So remember that we had the TA here, and if you did buy this opportunity, you're probably in profits at the moment. So today's top losers, Anna is at the top currently trading at 1.15. It's down 6.22% on the past 24 hours. Or it might be this coin that the person on the chart was referring to. I believe so. So W home hole. I'm not familiar with the blockchain or the token itself, okay, but it is interesting to see this dip here that is down 5.98%. So it might be an interesting longing opportunity for sure with these next pumps as Bitcoin is pumping right now. So we might just want to catch these dips. Core is down 1.47%, so nothing crazy really. Core is leading. This token is up 200 on a weekly, so it's really, really great. So if you want to catch the next pump, make sure to catch the lowest deep you can. Let's move into crypto bubbles just to have a look on what is currently playing out. So here we have a different look. Jupiter is in an interesting buying zone, 16.9% down, APT 19.6% down, C 14.5% down, Firm 12.7%. But I would say the top ones today to be longing it's C, APT, Jupiter on the Faith and SFX. However, it's from 15 to 20% deep. It's better for us to long in case we just want to make a higher profit. If you go to the daily, things will be looking different. But of course, if you like to long, it's just better to go to the week. This coin is the one that the person mentioned on a chart and is in an interesting buying zone as well. But personally, if you come to the weekly, you just make more profits by the red zone, which has more down impact. Okay. Uh, End of today, guys, you have to be very conscious trading BIM coins and altcoins and tokens because they do move very, very strong. However, we've seen a better scene for this week in crypto. Bitcoin and Ethereum is looking good. And don't forget to join the Telegram once more. If you like to know everything that is going on the industry, don't forget to visit the website of Voice of Crypto. Link down below to all socials. Follow, like, comment, and share. And I'm looking forward to see you guys tomorrow at Voice of Crypto. Thank you so much. See you soon.